Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. We're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY, and we're going to be using one of the vases here, and then some butterfly die cuts. I also have some adhesive diamond wrap in the clear color and also in this pretty turquoise color. And then I also have some gemstone stickers that I may be using as well. So first things first is I cut these out into long strips because as is they do not fit the way I want them. So I already know that I'm going to cut my strips, and I've done that already. The diamond wrap I've done in rows of 3, and the turquoise I did in rows of 5. So this is already self-adhesive, so this part is going to be quite easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here, take it apart, maybe, and I do have my hot glue gun warmed up as well. Okay, there we go. So I am going, let me show you here. I'm putting it right along the bottom and wrapping that around, and then I'm doing the same thing here. And you'll see, I love that you can move this. You'll see that it did not cover the whole way. So then I can take the extra that I have cut already and know that I can cut off right here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that it's 4 short. So sorry if you can hear everybody moving around, but you know, you're probably dealing with the same issues that I am and having everybody home right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this right in here and just fit that right in there. And you can't even tell where it starts and stops, which is super cool. So I did that there. I'm going to do the same thing here. And this is so we can put some nice spring flowers in here. And I just love the spring colors. And I'm just going to butt this right up against where it already is. Okay, so we've got that there. I am going to leave that little spot open, and I will show you why shortly. I'm going to take this one and I'm trying to get that done. I should probably be using my take your pick tool. There we go. And we're going to do this at the top as well. So I'm going to put it right at the top. There we go. And then I remember from last time that it was 4, but it looks actually like it's more than 4 this time. For some reason. Good thing I didn't just cut it. Half this video is going to be me unsticking this. I apologize. There we go. Now, it may be a little bit longer than what you need, but these can kind of smush a little bit. So there you go. You can, I was going to say you can barely tell, but really you cannot tell at all. Okay. Last one. And I'm going to leave this one open as well. Let's see here. I may have to just grab that tool. Or some scissors or something that you can reach under there. Oh, look at how easy that was. Okay. So remember, I know that this doesn't go all the way around, and I have this section here, and I think I'm going to go a little bit further over because I still want that section not to be there for my next part to this. Okay. So there we go. So now I have a section here, and I have a section here. I am now going to get out my little butterfly cuts. You guys, there's 32 of them in here. So I'm going to cut off this bottom part. And I'm going to pick out this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Super pretty. And I'm just going to choose, and I really like these blue ones. So I'm going to stick with the bluish green ones here. Actually, this one's really pretty. And I thought I was going to go with the big ones, this big one, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to stick with these small ones for the time being. But look what I'm going to do. First, okay, I'm going to get out those little gemstones. And I am going to cut them. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm cutting them. Because they actually are long and they're all stuck together. But they're stuck together this way. And I don't want them. I want them just to be singled. So here I went and got my tool. So it's going to work out perfectly. And I'm going to put some little guys on each of these. I think I'll go right there. Because I don't want to take away from some of that beauty that's already in here with the gold. This one, I think I'm going to go ahead and just go right here in the middle. This one. Super pretty. And then with this one, I think I am going to go and I'm going to cut off the lines at 3. I don't know why I did 2. But I'm going to put those right in the middle there. See how cute they are? All right, now I'm going to go like that a little bit. And each of these have their own brother or sister, their own little twin there. So I'm going to line those up. And I'm going to get a little bit of hot glue in the corners there. You could use like double-sided tape or anything you'd like as well. In fact, it'd probably be smarter than what I'm doing here. Yes, I do know that it would be much smarter to do that. Now that I'm doing it, I've gone and scared myself. So that way you have a back and a front. So let me go ahead. I have, let's see, I'm actually keeping with the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use my tacky and see how that works. I think that would probably be a little bit better. Of course, of course. Let's see here. I'm going to need to go to the Dollar Tree. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm thinking that this is going to be a better solution than going with the hot glue. Definitely, especially if you have the time. Okay. Getting a little messy. And I'm going to do that to these other ones as well. So, but this time, I know some of you might not have the double stick tape, but I do. So I'm just going to use it. And line these up. So if you have double stick tape or glue, use that if you have it available. And then I hope this one has, there we go, a little twin. We're going to put these two together as well. And I'll show you why in just a minute. All right. Some of these aren't adding up quite perfectly, but that is okay. Any extra that you have there on the back side, just go ahead and cut it off. And if it has a little bit, that's okay. And then we've got our final one here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and do exactly what I showed you. We're going to go ahead and kind of fold them. I'm going to give them some dimension there. And then what you can also do is you could take your scissors or a bone folder, and once you get them going like this, also go like this and give them some dimension going that way. And we're going to do the same thing here. Super pretty. And even the little tiny ones. And see, it just gives it so much more motion there. And those little gems give it such a pop as well. Okay, so now we need to attach these little beauties here. And I definitely know that I want one to be right in the middle. And I put this on each side so that you can see on the other side. You see there? So you could see through, but you could still see the butterflies all the way around. You see that? So cute. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put this one, and I want it to be in that area there. So now you see why I left that area open like that. And then we'll do another one right up here. I think you can do as many as you want. I'm trying to think if I want. I think I'm going to put this one right up there. So cute. And then this one, I could put him somewhere, but I think I like the 3. I think I do. Yep, I like the 3 and I like it to be forward like that. So I'm going to go ahead and look how cute that is. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Dollar Tree DIYs. I have so much of this left over that we can use for other projects as well. So I cannot wait. All right, I think that's going to add a little bit of spring there. And I do not know, now that I see it, I could actually put a little light down at the bottom and that would be beautiful. So, all right. Thank you so much, beauties. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and staying indoors and safe and well. I will talk to you later. Bye.